Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to blog on Medium. To blog on Medium, follow these detailed steps. To create, publish, and manage your blog posts using Medium. Now, the first thing you need to do is to visit Medium. Open your browser and go to medium.com. Then, if you do not have a Medium account, just go ahead and click on Get Started to sign up. If you're already logged in, click on Sign In if prompted. Once you sign in, you should now be able to start a new post. Now, access the right page. Once logged in, click on the right icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, this opens the Medium editor where you can begin composing your blog post. So the first thing is the title and the next is the body. Now, in the editor, start by typing the title of the post. And after typing the title of the post, go ahead and add the body of the post. Okay, so let's say how to look good, and you say looking good is good business. So let's say you have done all of this. Now you can begin writing, of course, below you can begin writing the body of your post, which I've done here. So use Markdown or the formatting toolbar to apply bold, italics, headings, list, and more. So to add a new paragraph, simply press enter and you've added a new paragraph. Okay, so now you can highlight your text. That's the body of the text. You can highlight and have access to the formatting toolbar. So you can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can add a hyperlink to it. You can of course make a text bolder, which looks like this, like different headings here, or make it smaller. Just any of this will just do. You can also add a quote if you want to add a quote there. Okay, so to add an image, all you need to do is so I'm just going to To add an image, open a new box and click on the plus icon. And once you click on the plus icon, you have access to other options. So you can insert an image here, and you can add an image from Unsplash. You can of course add a video. You can embed any image or video, or you can just head over to this option to add a new code block, or you can add a new part. So any of these options, just go ahead and freestyle. Once you're done with any of these tools, you can now click on the three dots menu here to access further tools. So you can add to publication, click on this to add more to your publication. You can share draft link, share to X, manage unlisted settings, change featured image, change display title and subtitle. You can also change topics, see revision history, and click on more settings to have access to more settings. Now once you're done, you have to ensure that the title is clear and compelling, because this will appear at the top of your blog post. Of course, once you're happy with your post, click on the publish button that is located in the top right corner. Medium allows, once you click on the publish button, you see that Medium allows you to add some tags. Okay, so this is looking good is good business. Now you can add or change topics for readers. So add a topic. Okay, add or change topic up to 5 so readers know what your story is about. So add your topics, and this would definitely form as tags. Okay, so tags actually help categorize your posts and make it easier for readers to discover. And once you're done with all of this, go ahead and click on publish now. So you can also view published posts. So once published, your blog post will be available on your profile. To see it, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And once you click, so I'm just going to go X on this because I don't want to publish that. It's not good enough. But just click on your profile icon. And once you click on that, you'll see the option that says stories. So click on stories. And once you click on stories, you'll see the story that you have just added. And click on edit button that is right next to it to make your changes and republish it. Of course, after your post is published, readers can comment on your post, and to interact with them, scroll to the bottom of the post and reply to the comment. Medium also allows you to share your post on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Now that's X. Now it's now X, Facebook, or LinkedIn. And to share, click on the share icon beneath your post and select your preferred platform. If you want to earn money from your blog, you can join the Medium Partner Program. All you need to do is to head over to your profile icon, and here it says apply to partner program. Click on that to become a member. Additional tips: it's okay to build a consistent audience. Blog regularly on topics you're passionate about, respond to comments, and connect with your readers to build a community. Also use relevant keywords in your post to increase visibility on Medium and search engines. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively write, publish, and manage your blog on Medium. Now we'll go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.